Jordan Brand isn't holding back in showcasing exclusivity with the Air Jordan 40 Dongdan, a rumored player exclusive tied to Beijing's celebrated streetball tournament. Shared by outsole19, this ultra-rare release reportedly exists in just 6 pairs. Its luxurious metallic gold leather upper is paired with bold orange accents, including Jumpman logos on the heel and outsole. Gray suede surrounds the collar and eyelets, blending seamlessly into a gray sole with semi-translucent tread. On the left tongue sits the Dongdan tournament emblem, while the right features a striking orange outline Jumpman. Inside, insoles carry the phrase "in one's element," driving home the thematic connection to competitive play. As Jordan Brand kicked off the AJ40's era with the classic, new styles like Dusty Rose, Blue Suede, and now Dongdan prove the model's aesthetic range. With elevated detail, premium materials, and extreme rarity, the Dongdan AJ40 has quickly become a pinnacle of design and collector appeal.